Good morning. Brian Hale here with Mortgage Advisory Partners. It's Monday, November 20th, and included in this post is our weekly newsletter, which is free on Mondays as we post it to the public. And if you'd like to subscribe, and the link is included in this post, you can actually get this newsletter 2 to 3 days earlier before you head into each weekend where applications tend to pop up. As we head into this Thanksgiving week, it's expected that while rates have dropped materially over the last, let's call it 4 weeks, especially given the reports that came out last week with CPI and the jobs report, I would expect that apps and locks may well slow as we move into the second half of this week due to the holiday and the fact that it appears as though every single American is already at the airport, at least when I traveled through the airport this past week. Consumer price index, the CPI, came in much lower than expected, as did the jobs report. And the headline on this week's newsletter is that cooler inflation clearly prompts a big shift in the rate outlook. As I said last week, I do believe that rates are, as a mortgage banker, a 40-year mortgage banker, I'll always take lower interest rates. But rates have not moved sufficient to materially move the market, particularly as we move into the holidays over the balance of this month and into December. That said, clearly the sentiment around interest rates has changed dramatically in the marketplace. My own belief is that we've seen the highs. That said, things could still go horribly wrong depending on what goes on around the world. And so you need to keep an eye on the key data and the reports that drive the market. My newsletter will give you a sense of what reports have come out over the last couple of weeks, as well as upcoming data that will be published by the government and others that may well move the marketplace. So while rates are materially lower and my clients report an uptick in locks and in applications, we're still not out of the woods. And so I ask you to pay attention to this. I think the next couple of months are going to be materially difficult in the market, but with data, you can help understand what's happening around you. For more on these reports and the data that's upcoming, again, subscribe to my free newsletter in the link above. And I look forward to seeing you again next Monday morning, and I'll talk with you soon. Have a great week, and I wish you all the best.